All right, folks, I need your help. I went down to my dealership today to buy new sprockets and chain for my KTM 390 2023 edition. And they said they couldn't give me the 14-tooth countershaft sprocket and the stock, I believe it's 45-tooth rear sprocket. Why? Because they will only order it as a unit, which I think is amazing because you know, I can go down, I can buy the chain from them, incidentally, at $179.64 for just the chain, which is okay. I don't mind paying good money for a really good chain. DID, good brand, great chain. But they couldn't help me with ordering a different countershaft sprocket. So where are you guys buying these from? I think whenever I changed out my sprocket, I think I bought it from an eBay store. And when I go in now and I look at it, it's 2023. That was when I bought the bike. And I go in and I look at it now, and I can't seem to find that same store again. So where are you guys getting your sprockets? I can't believe the dealer can't provide them for me. It's just mind-blowing. There's nothing, crazy or sensational about this. This is the stock chain, stock sprockets, to the exception of the front. I did change it out right off the bat. I changed it out to a 14-tooth on the front. It makes all the difference in the world with regards to torque, immediate power. It's geared too tall whenever it's in factory tune. So you have to drop that countershaft sprocket right off the bat. If you do that, incidentally, if you go buy one of these new, change that sprocket out, it's going to be a brand new bike immediately. It's amazing what the difference it makes. You wouldn't think so. It's just one tooth, but it is a dramatic difference. So where are you guys buying your sprockets from? Why can't I find that sprocket? I'm having such a horrible time now trying to find replacement sprockets for this bike. The point of this video is to ask you all to please tell me in the comments, send me a video, I don't care, send me something that says where you're buying your sprockets from. It didn't used to be this hard. This is not a complicated issue. It did not used to be this hard. And here I am, I still can't change out my chain. I could put the new chain on the old sprockets, but that's not how I roll. You change it out as a unit so that they all wear uniformly together. That's how you're supposed to do it. That's how I've always done it. That is the most effective to get the maximum mileage out of that whole gear set or that whole drive set that you can get, So please, who are you buying your sprockets from? Even your chain and sprockets. And don't tell me eBay. Don't tell me Amazon. I've been beating down those doors for a while now. Even nice CNC, nothing. Nothing on chains and sprockets. And oh man, I hope somebody doesn't say Temu. Oh, it's probably Temu, isn't it? I haven't bought anything from those guys. I don't know. It's just, that's just me. I always just try to support my local dealership. I want to get my stuff from my local dealership. I'm trying to support them with my money, with my business and everything. But if that happens to be where it's at, then I guess that's what I have to get. So until next time, folks,